Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Renee, and today's video gonna be in my lazy hoodie, but doing some work. I'm gonna go through my closet and pick out things that I don't want because I need to make some money and I need to make more room in my closet. And I guess the way to do it now, from what I've heard, is to resell on this website, an app called Depop. I keep wanting to call it Depop. You go on, you sell your clothes that you've tried on. I think a lot of YouTubers do this. They'll try on clothes for their hauls and then they'll sell it on this website and people can buy it. So it's a buy sell for clothing. So I'm gonna go through, grab things that I don't want anymore, clean out my closet a little bit. If you want to watch, cool, sweet, and let's dive into this video finally. Lots of dresses. Got my t-shirts, well, not t-shirts, my long sleeve and short sleeve shirts and a row of jackets. Up top, I have all my shoes. I'm probably not going to get rid of any of them because I have a lot of shoes, but not that many. So I'm going to be doing some cool things to my closet eventually. Right now, not very cool. It's getting there to what I want to be, but so far it's a work in progress. But I want to clean up my closet, so I'm going to start with my jackets first. A lot of them I recently bought on Fashion Nova and some Shein ones, so a lot of these jackets I really like. If you want to see a lot of my jackets, go ahead and watch my Fashion Nova cute jacket video. That's where most of them are at. Oh, this one I don't think I want anymore. Or do I? This one is like my little fox leather. Or did I say fox leather? I mean fox fur. Such a weirdo. Fox fur jackets. Very bougie with a little black dress type thing. But it's cute. Okay, I don't know. I might want to keep this one, but I have one that I don't want to keep. That's exactly the same but different color. I don't want this one. Actually, I know this for a fact. This is the matching one from Fashion Nova that I had, but I don't really like the color. It's still cute, but I haven't even worn this once. I've worn it once for the video, but I've never worn it out. So this is gonna be hopefully sold someday. I don't know how fast things sell on there. Hopefully they sell sooner than later, but I will let you guys know how it goes. I want this jacket. This is my old jacket I'm keeping this guy. This one I've had for years. Like, I feel like I've had this for like 20 years. It's from Wet Seal. Does anyone know Wet Seal? I've had this for so many years. I can't get rid of it. So this coat, this fox or Sherpa coat. Am I saying that right? I really like. It doesn't have a button though. I'm sure I can add it. I like it, and it matches with these boots. It matches with these Fashion Nova boots. I have a video on these when I put them together. I'll put the link in case you care. But honestly, I might even sell these boots. Does anyone want to buy these boots and this jacket? I'm probably gonna do that actually. This jacket is extremely soft though, so kind of hard to say goodbye to that. I'm gonna have to try that on. Let's see what else I have. This I'm keeping. I love this coat from Fashion Nova. Keeping my Champion sweater. Keeping my business jackets because I never know when I'm gonna need to look professional, and when I want to look professional I don't have anything to wear, so I'm keeping my professional stuff. Oh look, I have a matching one of this from Wet Seal. I was about 20 years old. I'm 35 soon, so did I say I had them for like 20 years? Okay, maybe 10 years. No, more than that. I've had it since high school. Oh gosh. Do I want this? This is extremely bright. It looks really cute with a white top or a white dress though. It's just very bright, but it's business. I might need this. Okay, keeping it. 100% keeping this. Love this coat. Was this a Wish experiment? This might have been a Boohoo, or what other experiment did I do that I haven't got to try on my stuff with? Okay, I want to get rid of this. But I think the haul that I was supposed to do that I never did includes this, so I think I might have to hold on to it so I can talk about it. Can I get rid of anything? I should have started on dresses. I don't know if I can get rid of my dresses either though. Okay, I don't want this. I actually bought this at Zoomies. I bought this at Zoomies and it was pretty expensive and I've never worn it. I mean, it's cute, but I don't know. Like, it's just weird for me to wear this. I'm gonna sell that. All that I'm keeping. I did not do very well. I'm gonna do my shirts and then go to my dresses. So behind me is the normal stuff, the t-shirts, the tank tops, the pajamas, socks, you know. So I don't need to go through that. Oh, I already see something I want to get rid of. This is crazy cute, but it like hurts my armpits because it's so small. So this is actually gonna go. This was from Fashion Nova. I loved it, but it cut off my armpit pretty much. It's so small around the armpits. Another thing I know I'm gonna get rid of is actually, so it's this dress. I'll just show you. It's this dress that I got from Dolls Kill. I accidentally bought two and I don't need to, so I'm gonna sell the other one. But it's like behind the door in a package, still in the bag. I'm keeping this. I'm not gonna show you if you wanna see it. It's a really pretty dress. It's on this video that I'll put above, and it's very nice and white. I'm not gonna open the bag right now, but if you wanna see, check out my Fashion Nova dresses video. If it's not popping up, it's probably not there yet, but it's on my to-do list. So, ooh, I've had this for like 20 years. And it's still adorable. This I think I got from Ross too, a long time ago. I don't really care for this guy. What is this? It looks cuter on. It's like off the shoulder. I'll probably take a picture and post it that way. But I don't do big knitted sweaters. Maybe I should. Yeah, baby.
Look, I'm watching Minecraft, please.
Okay, give me 1 minute. I'll be right there. We gotta go watch him play Minecraft. Oh, this guy. I wonder if I should sell this. I honestly don't want it, so I probably should sell it. But it's really pretty. I like the color. Just the one thing I didn't like, I don't know if it's has anything to do with the girls, but the buckle kind of sat weird on my chest right here. So it might just be that. I should sell this. At least try to. I don't wear this, but it's professional and it could be so pretty. This is too hard. Okay, I don't need this or want this anymore. Very party dress. It's Fashion Nova. Did I even put this in a video yet? I don't know. I'm gonna have to check. For now, I'm not gonna get rid of it until I know that it's in a video. Moving on. Right here. I think I'm into the dresses now. This one, do I? Oh, I have two. Oh yeah. So this one, I don't know if I want to sell. I really like it. It's super cute. If you want to see it on, I have my Valentine's Day dresses. It's on that one. This one, I think is in another video of mine, but my chest area does not fit at all in this dress. So I would love to sell it. I've never worn it out. It's adorable. It fits amazingly and it's really good quality, but I just do not fit it. I need more hangers. I'm just gonna... Ah! What do I do right now? Okay. This is a Fashion Nova dress too. Actually, both of these I might get rid of. Here, you hold on to that for me, thank you. This one is really pretty. I don't remember if the bust area fits me. See, look how cute that is. Like, this little bandage dress. So it's very tight. Kind of a midi dress. I might have to try this on. This dress I like too, but again, the chest area is very small, so I'm gonna have to try that on. That will not be a video. This like satin green dress from Forever 20, not from Forever 20, from Fashion Nova. The straps are what I don't like. It's like too thin. I'm gonna put that in my maybe pile. So pretty. And then this dress, probably, maybe my sister will buy it from me. This one, it's like two things in here. So this is a Fashion Nova dress. This is a medium, so it might be too big for me, maybe. Just buy it a little bit. I'm gonna put this in my video actually first. And I might keep it, but it's a fox leather dress with a zipper in the front. It's really cute, but I think it's a little big for my liking, but it might look good. But this will be in my dress video too. You might see that and if you click somewhere around here. And then I have this, kind of like an apron. It's more of a jean type overall skirt. Do I get rid of this? I might. I mean, I'm gonna have to try this on too, actually. So many things to try on. I don't really want to try them on right now, but I'm gonna have to if I want to sell them, right? And I don't want to get rid of things that look good on me, so I'll have to test it out. This dress I've had since I was like 14. Look at this. It's like little dance formals at your school picture type dress. What is all this? This is like, I think it's falling apart. It's all like black and crusty right there. Sometimes I wish clothes had the year that they were made. That'd be so awesome. Is it falling apart? Anyways, enough about this. I can't sell that, but do I even want this in my closet anymore? Keeping this, keeping that, keeping this. It's like a very Hawaiian, very pretty dress. I haven't got to wear yet, but I want to wear it. I have a lot of long dresses that I haven't worn yet. I might do a video with all those. Oh yeah, because I have this really pretty Fashion Nova dragon looking one. Did I want to sell this dress? I kind of do. It's a little on the see-through side. It's really pretty. It's on my Fashion Nova holiday dresses if you want to see me wearing it. But I think I'm going to get rid of that. Ooh. Keeping this. This is going to be in one of my videos soon. Okay, I got the weirdest idea just now. Look at this. Okay, I'm not going to do this, but this could be a crazy combo. Maybe I will. But so, see this dress? What if I did this? And I put my hair down, and you probably don't know this. If you do, you're amazing and you're awesome. Put that together. I kind of want to put this together now. With this hat, if you don't know, do you know Nuketown? Black Ops 2, Call of Duty. Check out my social media. I might have that in there eventually, soon, possibly. Check my Instagram. I want to do that right now. But I'm busy. I'm trying to do this. All right. And then a whole bunch of my, because of COVID type, matching sweat outfits that I'm going to keep. Is that it? I did a really bad job. I didn't do very well. Some of the stuff is old. Some of the stuff I need to put in a video. Some of the stuff I can't let go. This is a very hard task right now. I have a good amount of things for now. I hope you guys were entertained. It was interesting. I tried my hardest. And hope I can make some money. I'll let you guys know what happened. Maybe I'll put in the comments. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Stay sweet. Peace. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Okay, so also I just want to say that this is my cute little purse collection. Most of them are from Fashion Nova. Some little jewelry, you know. But and my backpacks. Look at this little cute Playboy backpack. Isn't it adorable? Don't look at me. A little Playboy backpack got for Christmas. Have some belts. Gonna keep those. And all my coats. God, that looks insane. But got my heels up here. Am I making you guys dizzy? Got my heels up here. A lot of them are from Fashion Nova also. If you're interested, I have my Fashion Nova shoe haul. Try on shoe haul. So that's it. That's it for my video. Take care. Stay sweet. Bye. Bye.